Everyone, welcome back in React.js to a video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Slim. In this video tutorial, we are going to save our to-do list item in our Firebase database. I'm going to my terminal and let's start our application. npm start. It's loading, and this data is coming from our Firebase. If I go to my console of Firebase and to my project, and here I'm going to my Firestore. Here we have 3 to-dos. If I add here one more, now it's appearing here, but not coming here. If I even reload in Firestore, our to-do is not appear here. Only 3 to-dos which we added before by manually we created here from here. So if I reload the our app page, only 3 to-dos is appearing here because it's coming from our Firestore from Firebase. And that to-do actually we store here. When we submit, we store in our to-dos array by using set to-dos. Now I'm going to add here db dot collection. Then our collection is to-dos, this one, to-dos which we created. Then dot add, and here we have to pass. First I'll give my to-do means it's a field name, then the value. The value is this input which we set in our input field. That's it. It's very easy, and you can say it's only one line of code, even 1 or 2 line of code. Just db.collection, then your collection name, and dot add, and the fields. If there is multiple fields, you can add here multiple fields like to do, then user, then all bunch of information you can pass here. Now I'm going to my React app again. If I type here, this is live to do. Hit enter. Now it's appearing here. If I go, now even it's coming from here. This is live to do. I'm going to back my browser. If I reload, this is live to do is already here because stored in our Firebase. So this is the easiest and simplest way to store or save your data in Firebase. Now in the next tutorial we'll discuss how to delete these to-dos from our database or from Firebase. So that's for this tutorial. See you next one.